How to adjust value per units in CapCut PC. And okay guys, here in your computer, go to CapCut application. In CapCut homepage or dashboard, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, click this and go to settings. In settings, on top menu, okay, go to edit. Here in edit portion, you can see here the units on the second place of this edit section, and now you can adjust this value per unit. So the unit is set into 10. You can adjust this by clicking arrow down or up. So for my example, I set this value per unit into 7. And after that, after you adjust the value per unit in CapCut PC, click Save button below to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully adjust value per units in CapCut PC.